Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how does Google Ads work. So first, how Google Ads work. The way Google Ads work is you bid on a specific keywords related to your business based on how much you are willing to spend per click. That means Google is a model of advertising that is pay per click. That means we pay Google when a person click on a link or our link, or we can pay per click. If you win the bid, your ad appears above, above the organic search results when Google users search for those keywords. While the basic principles of Google Ads are pretty simple, that's it. There are some topic that you must pay attention to you if you want to fine tune your campaigns. That means how Google Ads work. We want to learn it, and then we learn about some basic topics or related terms that are ad rank and quality score. So what is ad rank and quality score? And we already learned about bid. So ad rank and quality score. So Google rank your landing page. That means we have a landing page, and Google ranks our landing page on a number of factors including your quality score, user engagement, loading speed, and the number of relevant keywords. That means when we use Google Ad, we use keywords. So here is ad rank. Okay, so our quality score and maximum bid, and then it is equal to ad rank. Quality score refers to your ad's relevance and quality. That means our ad copy, our text, our headline, our image, it looks at things like the click-through rate of your ad and how well your ad matches the searcher's intent. That means when a person search a keyword, and then our ad will show in front him or her. Google Ads quality score. Look, user experience, that means users relevance of keyword, user search to keyword on keyword, expected CTR by click-through rate, and then quality score. And if the quality score and ad quality is higher, then it is better chance to show your ad to your audience. To improve your click-through rate, look at these factors, or we can find three factors: the user's landing page experience, your keywords relevance, your CTA, and ad copy. Your quality score and bid amount will determine the ad rank, so you should boost your quality score to improve the click-through rate, which will make your ad rank better. Next, location. What is location? And location is the basic things. Location refers to the geographical area where Google users will see your ads. That means where our targeted audience are located or situated. This is a very useful feature because it helps you narrow down your target audience. Okay, so here you can see a location settings in Google Ads. When we go to practical session, then we create location. If you own a brick and mortar store or any shopping store or pet store, you will want to limit the location to a reasonable area around the store using specific zip codes. That's great. On the other hand, if you own an e-commerce business, you will be able to show your ads to everyone around the world with almost no limits. So location is the most important option in Google Ads. Now this times to learn about keywords. What is keywords? Keyword is, that means when we search anything in Google, that is keyword. Google Ad work on based keyword or based on keywords. So Google uses your keywords to match your ads to searchers' queries. That means when we create ad on Google, we use keywords to create our ad, and we want to rank on keyword to reach our customers. If you don't choose the right keywords, you won't be able to reach your desired target audience. So keyword is very important. Therefore, you should invest time in keyword research and find the keywords and absolutely right keywords. Okay, your keywords can always be tweaked so they match the searcher's intent more closely. It will probably take some time until you find the right keyword. So you should be proactive and constantly look at new ways to optimize and them. Then the next term is match types, and this is very important for keyword. So what is match types? Match types means when we use a keyword, our keyword can match on searcher's intent, or it is broad match or phrase match or exact match. Okay, so match types first. When choosing and optimizing your keywords, you will get to chosen between a few match types. There are 4 match types. Match types refer to how closely you want your keywords to match the searcher's query. For example, we can say you might want your keyword to match the query exactly, or you might want to show your ad to anyone with a somewhat related query. Now, here are 4 main kind of match type: broad match, modified broad match, phrase match, and exact match. Okay, so the default setting is broad match. This option will use any word from your keyword phrase in any order. This might be a good option if you're just starting out and trying to cast as wide as net as possible. Next, modified broad match. A modified broad match means that you will be able to lock in a word from your keywords phrase by denoting in it with me plus symbol. The matches you get will then always include the word. That means you select the broad match, and that is called modified broad match. If you opt for a phrase match, third term, for third match type, your matches will include your keyword phrase in its exact order. However, the matches may include in additional words before or after your keyword phrase. On the other hand, an exact match, lastly, fourth, will preserve the exact order of your keyword phrase. So if somebody searches for the targeted keyword with slight alterations or a misspelling, they won't see your ad. That is exact match. The safe set thing is starting with an exact match and then slowly broadening it as you figure out your target audience and campaign goals. You should always be ready to apply changes and adapt to new circumstances. Okay, so that's it in our today's video. In next video, we learn about Google Ads headline and description.